Hey, my name is Paul Scheres. I farm out in T-Rail. I've got it's a 44 internal rotary, milk 420 cows here. Used NumatAGRI for a while, got another farm 2 down the road, which I matted out, same 44 internal rotary. With the internal, when they're coming on and off the platform, there's quite a lot of 90-degree turning, so it is quite, on concrete, and if you're feeding PK or some gritty product, the hooves and that do turn quite a bit and they do get trapped and grind, if you know what I mean, a bit like sandpaper on the concrete. But with the rubber matting, they seem to be a lot more content, and it's actually quite hard to find lames now because they actually are comfortable. Where with the concrete you could tell a lame straight away. And with it being black as well, mastitis and that, stripping a cow out, you can see it quite clearly on the black matting, and it just looks a lot more visually tidier, and yeah, it does, it looks quite impressive to be honest. With the other farm, with the feed pad, we tried some other matting and it just didn't last. On our feed pad, I've put out quite a bit of NumatAGRI matting at the front. We're driving over 20-tonne wagons and that, mixer wagons, and it seems to be holding up brilliantly, and the lames have reduced tenfold on what you're saying that. And cow slipping as well, coming off the pad, it's been really good. That's the first time I've used the NumatAGRI product for that. I used to buy those square blue rubber mats from farm stores, and they were good. They just didn't last as long, and I've chucked these in this season, and the boys, because you're standing on concrete a lot, so now the boys love it. Staff comfort's key too, eh? I'm pretty wrapped with those as well. They did all the installation for me. I think it took them 2 days, and there was no dramas, just the measurement was fine, and they installed it. Looks a picture, to be honest. I think the way that we farm, especially with the concrete, the cows to be comfortable, like, it has improved the way we farm, for sure. Like the lames, cow comfort, just tidiness of the place, just looks smarter, and yeah, I'm very happy, and I would recommend it to anyone. Like, I'm going to carry on installing their matting on the concrete as I can, and no dramas.